everyone. So as I always say, it feels so good putting in nutrients into your system. Trust me, I always feel like crap when I used to eat all the junk and crap food. Living healthy and taking good care of yourself is a form of self-love. And when you love yourself, you treat yourself, you feel extra confident and proud of yourself. So today I'll be sharing with you one of my green age fighting smoothies made with a combination of fruits and vegetables, loaded with so many vitamins and minerals. So that way I am putting in so many vitamins and minerals in my system from all those fruits and vegetables. That way you even get to consume vegetables without feeling it, because so many people do not really like to eat raw veggies, like raw. So this smoothie will enable you to eat vegetables without even noticing, and you know most of the vitamins and minerals are found in green leafy vegetables. So that is what I'll be sharing with you, the smoothie you saw me drinking at the beginning of this video. This smoothie is not only nutrient dense but tastes so good in the mouth. So I'll not waste your time. I'll take you and show you how to come up with the smoothie yourself at home. But before getting into that, real quick, feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. But love Riza and her tips, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so we can all stay healthy. So let's get straight into it. So in order to make the very powerful age-defying smoothie, the first ingredient we'll be using is avocados. So what we need is half an avocado. So you just slice your avocado, and we need just half for a glass or a cup of smoothie. So why are we using avocado? That is because avocado is one of the world's superfood, loaded with a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals you need for a healthy, glowy and younger looking skin, like a little bit of vitamin A, there is vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, vitamin B6, magnesium, omega fats, it has fiber. In short, all the little vitamins and minerals you need for a healthy and glowy younger looking skin are found in avocado. So that makes it the first ingredient. So the second ingredient for this smoothie will be any green leafy vegetable of your choice, but for me today I'll be using spinach. So spinach is equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals. It is rich in protein, calcium for your bones as you age, because as you age you need a lot of calcium. It is equally rich in iron, potassium, magnesium, vitamin A for a glowy and younger looking skin. We all know the role of vitamin A for aging. It is equally highly rich in folate for your blood, very nutrient dense. So what you need is a handful of your spinach. Make sure you clean your spinach well. You need just a handful for this cup. The next ingredient you want to add is bananas. So banana is equally very good for the skin. It is highly rich in potassium, and we all know the benefits of potassium on the skin. So banana equally helps to like bring ingredients together to give you that really nice flavor. Like the smoothie, you will not feel the greens or the avocado. Trust me, when you taste this with banana, you will really love it. So banana is like the best ingredient to make your smoothies with. So we'll be using one banana. So these are the ingredients. You want to maybe slice in sizes that can enter your blender, because we'll be using a blender to blend the smoothies with. So I have a very big blender, so I'll just leave it this way. And yeah, so you just want to put all the clean ingredients in your blender and blend. So if you want it sweet, just keep watching and I'll propose what you can add it to make it a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. So you want to add in ice. So I'm putting in 4 ice blocks. So it acts like a little bit of water and equally to chill the drink for me, because it can be boring to drink this warm. You just need to drink it chill but not cold, because we don't need cold drinks in our system. So you want to add in a little bit of organic honey if you have. If you want taste, you add in half a teaspoon. Don't add too much because you don't want to lose that beautiful flavor of this smoothie. You want to get all the fresh, beautiful flavor. Just add in just half a teaspoon. So voila, this is our smoothie. So nice. I like mine thick. If you want it a little bit watery, you can add a little bit of water.